It's also really important to clean your brushes very often, so at least once a week. I like to use our Houdini spray, and I take it to spray it just like that, and you just kind of keep doing it until it goes clean. You see how quickly, and it dries immediately, but this will clean, sanitize, and as well as condition the bristles so that the brushes last a really long time. Once a month, you should be doing a deep cleanse as well. So I take just Dawn dish soap and water. And what you want to do is you put in the brush, and you'd be really careful not to get in past the glue. You just kind of swirl it around without dipping the brush completely in it. And then you can push it in to clean it like that. And then you can rinse it as well. And then let them lay flat to dry overnight. You can see how much more makeup you can get out of it in a deep clean.